Hello and welcome. You're watching Don Bosco Media Network. This is Mona Lisa Rambai, bringing to you the news and events from Meghalaya. Here are the headlines for today. India-France joint military exercise Shakti begins in Meghalaya. Suspect arrested in connection with Nonglat's death. KSU apprehends non-locals at infiltration check gate. And Meghalaya government vows crackdown on drug trade. And now the news in detail. The 7th edition of the India-France joint military exercise Shakti kicked off in Umroi, Meghalaya on 13th of May at a fully equipped foreign training node. Attended by H.E. Thierry Mathau, Ambassador of France to India, and Major General Prasanna Sudhakar Joshi, the opening ceremony marked the commencement of this biennial event. With 90 personnel from both countries participating, the exercise aims to bolster joint military capabilities for multi-domain operations in semi-urban and mountainous terrains. Tactical drills including counter-terrorism operations and heliborne missions will be rehearsed to enhance the interoperability and share best practices. Exercise Shakti underscores the commitment of India and France to strengthen defense cooperation, fostering camaraderie between armed forces personnel and nurturing bilateral relations. This collaborative effort reflects the shared resolve to address contemporary security challenges effectively.
Participating Indian Army Contingent Commander, I consider myself extremely fortunate to be part of this joint exercise Shakti. As we can see, the joint training node at Umroi conducts training for Indian Armed Forces and forces from friendly foreign countries. Exercise Shakti will focus on the mechanics of conduct of sub-conventional operations under the Chapter 7 of United Nations mandate, undertaking company-level joint operations and sharing from each other's best practices. We look forward to our French counterparts for enriching ourselves with their knowledge.
We go from the deep ocean to the outer space. And obviously, defense and security is a major pillar, and I must say, the major pillar of our partnership with India. As you know, it takes place in the context of the Indo-Pacific strategy. And I would like to say that this cooperation between France and India in the sector of defense and security is organized around 3 pillars. I mean, actually, we have to work on 3 legs, if I may say.
Incoming
the first
voice.
one is our strategic dialogue, meaning that we share the same vision. I just use the term of Indo-Pacific strategy. So
Nongpo police apprehended 43-year-old Raju Rajbhar from Sonapur, Assam, employed at a dhaba in Erpakon, Ribhoi district, on suspicion of involvement in the demise of 38-year-old Kermen Lingdo Nonglat. The incident occurred on the night of May 11th. Upon receiving the news, SP Jakpal Dhanau swiftly dispatched troops for investigation. Following thorough inquiries, Raju Rajbhar was detained. Kermen was rushed to Nongpo Civil Hospital but tragically passed away en route. The authorities continue their investigation into the circumstances surrounding this unfortunate event. Under the leadership of Korbar Marthong, Assistant Organizing Secretary, the Khasi Students' Union Maushinrut Circle intercepted a pickup truck bearing registration number AS186193 loaded with non-locals from Assam at the infiltration check gate in Aradonga. The individuals unable to produce valid documents providing their Indian citizenship claimed to be heading to Umolong, West Jayanti Hills for work. However, upon failure to provide documentation, they were instructed to return. KSU criticized the check gate's laxity, asserting willingness to assume responsibility if the authorities fail to uphold their duties. The incident underscores the ongoing concerns surrounding infiltration and the need for stringent border control measures.
वापस गाड़ी घुमा दो तिरपाल उठाओ थोड़ा तिरपाल उठाओ ऊपर पूरा पूरा
अरे भीतर तो ढुके दो बालमक देखो बालमक जालप करो तो बाल ड्राइवर जालप करो हेलो
स्टॉप 20 बार उठक बैठक 20 बार खुद गिनती करो मजा आया जो 20 हो गया वो रुक सकता है
क्या कागज लगेगा सर
लेबर लाइसेंस और पुलिस वेरिफिकेशन डिस्ट्रिक्ट वाइज
Deputy Chief Minister Preston Tinsong announced the Meghalaya government's determined stance against drug addiction and bootlegging, which have inflicted significant harm on the state's youth. Tinsong emphasized the government's commitment to utilizing its authority to eliminate drug dealers and traders operating within the state. Highlighting the devastating impact of drugs on youth, he expressed resolve to address the issue promptly. Tinsong's pledge underscores the government's proactive approach to combating substance abuse and its associated criminal activities, signaling a concerted effort to safeguard the well-being of Meghalaya's citizens, particularly its youth.
Drugs tham tam ka responsibly ka bakhia bha yangi ka long ba kumno bangin stop ya ki supplier lani ban yo ban kem ban stom ka kum la ye ki ke supplier ke bon supply ye ki drugs namar pia ka bakadu ki nong di ba pli le ha ba ki yo ki di ong no kum da te nak tak daw ni thau ya ka we ka ke dei ba du drugs tham tam ka responsibly ka bakhia bha yangi ka long ba kumno bangin stop ya ki supplier lani ban yo ban kem ban stom ka kum la ye ki ke supplier ke bon supply ye ki drugs namar pia ka bakadu ki nong di ba pli le ha ba ki yo ki di ong no kum da te nak tak daw ni thau ya ka we ka we ka mission mood ka bangi ong ka dreams ka bangin ya kun persya da ka ba ya dot lang na kaliang jo ka police department bat kumchur na kaliang jo social welfare ka duty jo na kalong kumno ba anang la pick up ya ki to ki addicts ki ba let's say ki ngop hakanika jinglen ka basniu bangin penbon ya ki na ki rehabilitation kanang ba kin ai ya ka counseling kin ai ya ki jing slok bakin kala ka bot bakin nemlen chu te ka ba na kaliang jongi ka police department mere ngila don ka special force ka task force ka ba mentang ilong 24/7 ka bangi work out kuno bangi la ban yo ban kem ya gitu ki bawan supply pio I almost jan man kaski ka bangi yo ban kem ya gitu ki supplier gitu ki nawara ya kini ki drugs bat ki we ki kenja jing penbuat ki bakta ya ki kon samla jong ni ki kita ru ya boro ki badon ang ne jalam ru menta ko mo pi ngla bu ya ka ngla ai ka direction ya boro piong ka kamtam hasilong ya USP East Castle patunjuk ya SP Joka Shillong City bakin long proaktif kai kabadon kam rengkat berkaman bawa ngin pentikenakan bala ban numdon kini ki cases ki ba katu ka team la ni kejing pen penwit ya ka syong suk ka syong la ni kejing penwit wat ya kajing syong suk ki ba man made man ski man shai la ni hakanong no kapor ba.
Two villagers tragically lost their lives in a motorcycle accident in North Garo Hills district on Sunday evening. The victims, reportedly intoxicated and riding at excessive speed without helmets or other safety gear, collided with a tree on the Rongchong to Daina Dubi Road after dark. The impact was so severe that one rider was thrown into the air, while the motorcycle sustained extensive damage. Despite efforts to transport them to a nearby hospital, both riders succumbed to their injuries. The deceased, identified as Tengsembert Di Sangma and Sengdem Marak, highlight the dangers of reckless driving and the importance of road safety measures. So viewers, that is all we have for you today. Until we meet again, thank you for watching.